Hey everybody, I wanted to show off a couple products. This is the 31 fold-in file. It holds hanging folders. It is so cute. This pattern is not available, but they all come with these 2 mesh pockets in the front and handles. There's a deluxe fold-in file and it has straps. I don't have that one, but there's a lot of room in here. See? Lots of room. Okay, and I keep it in this bag. This is the zip top organizer bag. It has 2 mesh pockets on the sides. It has 3 outside pockets on one side and 2 on the other. Of course, it has these nice straps and it zips. That's why I use it to keep my file folder in box, because if I drop it, my files don't come out because they're all nice and zipped in here. So this pattern is still available, but this one is not. But this is really cute. So I just wanted to show this. Like I said, this is the zip top organizer tote, and this is the fold and file organizer, I'm pretty sure. And like I said, there's a deluxe version of this with straps, and they're like this, straps. Okay, just wanted to show you those products. Have a nice day. Bye everybody.